Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to discuss about the post-study work visa for New Zealand. So guys, recently I published some videos about New Zealand, like how to do step by step and some guidance videos. And I was getting some questions about post-study or work visa, but a lot of people were terming it postgraduate work permit. I can understand because that term is used for Canada. So I thought of making this video. So before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am government body, and whatever I tell in this video is general information and it is available online too. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in New Zealand also you get the opportunity to work, and this is called post-study work visa. As you can see, this is open now. You can apply and you can stay for with this visa 1, 2 or 3 years. With this visa, you can work for any employer, work in almost any job in New Zealand. So that means this is a kind of an open work permit like you get in Canada. Okay. Things to note, you can apply for this visa once unless you complete a second higher qualification at bachelor degree level or higher. So almost similar to Canada, right? There are links for acceptable qualifications too. You cannot provide commercial that kind of services, okay? Because you know why? Because those services are legal in New Zealand, but only New Zealand citizens and PRs can work in that industry. If you complete your study outside Auckland before the end of 2021, your work visa can be valid for 2 or 3 years, okay? And another question that is very important, whether your partner is going to get any visa or not. Your partner can apply for a work permit and your dependent children can study fee free as domestic students. This is huge. This is like a huge difference, right? Because if you are on open work permit, okay, like you complete your study, then in Canada, based on your job you are working, your partner can apply, right? But here they haven't specified any criteria. And they are saying that your partner can also apply for a work visa and your dependent can study fee free. So education is, we know how education works in Canada, right? So that is also fine. You need to have held or had applied for your student visa to study the eligible qualification on or before 11 May 2022 to be eligible for this visa. If you apply after 11 May 2022, you may be eligible under new post-study work visa instructions. Further information available about this later in 2022. So they are going to make some changes. Okay, now we'll go through how long you can work on a post-study work visa. Wow. Acceptable qualification. Post-study work visa. It should be level 7 or higher if you study loan for fix. If you, okay. So for every qualification there is criteria, so that you can check yourself. That's fine. Alright, if I click on check criteria, nationality on passport, let's say I put an example. Okay, that's fine. So I see the criteria. Okay guys, so for now I'll end this video, but I'll definitely try to work upon how to apply this post-study work visa for New Zealand. I'll try to work upon a video and I'll try to upload it. So thanks for watching this guys. Please subscribe to the channel.